Welcome back, and now we have news from sports. Shantanu Bandekar won the second leg of the late Mohan Kakula Memorial All Goa Snooker Selection Tournament on Sunday. The tournament was organized by the Q Sports Association of Goa at Club Tennis the Gaspar Dias in Miramar.
The snooker final between Shantanu and Nigel D'Souza went right down to the fifth and final set. Shantanu lost the first two sets 36-74 and 34-72. However, he fought back strongly to win the next three sets 56-22, 57-26 and 89 points to 9. The competition was a selection tournament for the forthcoming National Snooker Championship to be held in Pune. First leg winner Nigel D'Souza topped the points tally with 18 points from the two legs and will be accompanied by Nicholas D'Souza and Sufian Makandar for the Nationals. You've been the first person to be selected for the Nationals. What are your plans?
I'll try to do something there, achieve something in snooker. That's all, yeah.
And presently in this tournament, how was it playing? What was the experience, entire experience?
The experience was overall good. Played also, my game also was a bit this today.
It's great, definitely. I've been playing for a long time, and I've never been reached. I've reached the finals, but I've never won it. So it really feels great to reach the final and win it actually.
Now this is a selection tournament. You missed out the leg at Madgaon. Do you feel by missing that you missed out on a chance on getting selected?
Yeah, definitely I've lost the opportunity of reaching the nationals, but anyways, no problem at all.
Anything that you're looking to improve personally your game?
Yeah, definitely. I've heard about this new coaching classes being organized by the Q Association itself. So I guess I'm looking forward for that coaching classes.
Q Sports Association of Goa President Sunil Morachkar presented cash awards to the winner and runner-up. A sports reporter from Miramar, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
The annual table tennis and badminton tournament for physical education teachers was held on Sunday. The tournament was organized by the Physical Education Teachers Association at Kampal.
In the men's badminton finals, Sagar Gosavi beat Dhanraj by 2-0. Sagar won the first set 21-15 and clinched the second set 21-12. In the women's final, Girija Devi defeated Manjula Bhatt 21-12, 21-12. In the men's table tennis final, Savio Letao defeated Leroy Menezes 3-2. Here are some highlights of the finals of both the disciplines. Goa University Director of Physical Education and Sports Milton Fernandez was the chief guest and gave away the prizes. Former Physical Education Director of MES Higher Secondary School K.S. Patil was felicitated on the occasion. Our sports reporter Patterson Fernandez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi from Panji.
Well, that's all we have in this news bulletin for now. Stay tuned to Prudent Media for more news updates. Till then, goodbye.